How to download Fire Kirin on Android. Fire Kirin is an exciting arcade-style game that has gained a lot of popularity for its vibrant graphics and engaging gameplay. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started. First things first, ensure that your Android phone is connected to the internet. This is crucial as you will be downloading the app. Next, open the Google Play Store, which is over here. Tap on it. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom middle. It's over here. That will open up a search bar for you. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type Fire Kirin over here. After that, tap on search button. This will display a list of apps related to your search. And for your information, this is how the Fire Kirin look like. Let's tap on it and go to the app page. And this is the original app. Now you will see an install button. Tap on it. That will begin download and installation process. Depending upon your internet speed, this may take few moments. Once the installation is complete, you will find a Fire Kirin app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Simply tap on play icon to open the game. Tap on it. Before you start playing, ensure your device has enough storage and that you meet the app system requirements for a smooth gaming experience. And that's it. You are now ready to explore the exciting world of Fire Kirin on your Android device. Enjoy your gaming adventure. And at last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.